Hello Greg, I'm Roger here at Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter in Scarborough, Maine. Thanks for talking to me on the phone, and I know I sent you some pictures, but I'm going to do this video for you of the Sprinter Crew Van 4x4. We'll do a nice walk around on the exterior. Now, as you can see, the van sits off the ground quite a bit. It sits up 4.3 inches higher than our rear-wheel drive Sprinter vans do. It's got leather interior. This seat is removable, Greg. Two guys can pop this seat right out for storage if you need it, or you can leave the seat in, which is nice. There is windows on the driver's side and passenger side sliding door. We'll come around to the back doors. So this van is pre-wired for a trailer hitch. The wiring is located under here. We have it tied up in place. You can add a tow hitch to this and tow 5,000 pounds behind the van. So the doors latch in place. They've got these double hinges, which are really nice. And the doors actually open all the way up to 270 degrees on both sides. The way the hinge is designed, it will hold the doors in place as well, so they won't just close on you in inclement weather, raining, or the wind blowing pretty hard. Also, Mercedes-Benz has got this wood floor in here with an anti-slip coating on it, so you don't, when your feet are wet or snowy in the wintertime, you won't just slip on this floor, which is really nice. So now, Greg, we're going to hop in the cab of the Sprinter van, and I'll go over the features and benefits of the inside that you were asking me about. All right, Greg, we're sitting here in the cab of the Sprinter 4x4 Crew van. I wanted to show you this too. This has keyless start, so you just put your foot on the brake and you just push in on the start button. Van starts right up. You were asking me about this info center that we have right here. This is the 10.25 inch MBUX system that Mercedes-Benz has incorporated into the 2019 Sprinter vans, which is very nice. So I'll scroll through this. So we have navigation right here, and it's touchscreen. And there's your map. You can also talk to it and tell it what you want it to do, what your destination would be. It's very simple actually to use. It looks complicated, but it's not. You can also go back to the home button. We can pair your cell phone right here. We'll scroll across, and you can do your radio stations right here, and it's all touch screen. You can actually move it. Also, there's a little mouse on the steering wheel where you can scroll through the radio stations and pick the radio station that you prefer. So this does have Sirius XM radio. You would have to get a subscription for that. It has AM and FM radio as well, which is nice. You can also stream music from your phone to the system as well. We'll go back to the home button. We have multimedia, so you can connect other devices. This is where you could actually play music from your cell phone once your cell phone's connected. And this is an information center. And then we have the Mercedes Pro apps. And we also have a function here for vehicle settings. This van is equipped with cruise control. It has a tilt telescoping wheel. There's a lever right here where you can adjust the steering wheel, tilt, and you can telescope it in and out, so you can get it adjusted where you would like. Also, this has heated seats and electric seats, so I'm going to move the electric seat back. And there's several adjustments on the seat. This also, your heated seat button is in the door. I know it's a little bit tough to see, but it's in the door. We can turn that on, and your lock and unlock buttons are also on the side as well as on the passenger side. This van also has heated electric folding mirrors, so we'll get a shot of the mirrors for you too, so you can fold them in if you're in a tight parking situation, and you can just simply push the button and it puts them back out. And then in the same spot over here on the driver's side door, you can adjust your mirrors however you'd like, so you can see. I want to display the backup camera for you as well. So you just, when you put the van in reverse, it gives you a really nice view here behind us. And you were asking about the 360-degree camera right here on the left-hand side. So it's showing the van where we're parked, and it's showing you all the way around the van. And then in this portion, it's just showing behind the van. So the yellow lines right here is where the tires will follow. So if I turn the steering wheel, it's going to show which way the van's going to go in the track of the rear view camera. And then you have several different options here, and you can just simply touch them and it changes the view. And it shows, this one actually shows you beside the van as well. Shows you just a different view behind the van, and it does show you 360-degree over here too in this corner. And this is the one that's most commonly used right here. So Greg, now we're going to go for a short test drive here around our parking lot, just so you can see how the van handles. Our parking lot is very full, and this will give you a good idea how sharp the turning radius is on our Sprinter 4x4. So we're going to go around this corner right here to the right in between these two Sprinter vans, and you can see how tight it is, but it will go right through here, no problem. Turning radius is like very sharp in these. This van is equipped with high and low 4x4 function. Very simple to put into 4x4. You just have to be stopped, put your van in neutral, push your 4x4 button, and then put it into gear, and it will lock right in for you. This van also has a nice leather steering wheel in it. Very comfortable. Well, Greg, thanks for doing the test drive with me. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please feel to reach out to me. You can give me a call at 207-838-0169. You can call me anytime. Looking forward to hearing back from you. As soon as I email the video, I am going to give you a follow-up call to see if you've had a chance to watch it. Thank you very much, Greg, and have a great day.